All right, everybody, we're here at 21311 Civic Center Drive here at Warrens Tech University Service Centers. We have an elevator here. It's an Otis. Series 1. This thing almost looks like it's not even wired. Let's go to the basement. Here's the phone. On the right side, even though the fan is turned on, there is no fan in this elevator. Let's go to 2. Here we are at 2. Chime. It's also got the long Series 1 chime. Listen carefully. A little bit longer than usual. And our door close button works, which I definitely love. Let's take a cab view. Here we go. Classic Otis interlock. Let's look at the fixtures. This one actually says, please exit when doors open. It's not too common to see on newer Series 1. And that'll be it.